Hey everybody, Chef Jacob here. Going to talk about a new dish coming very soon to Rendezvous, which is a beet tartare. So, all the things that is beef tartare, but we're going to make it vegetarian and very easily vegan if necessary. So I have my brioche that I've already cut out and toasted. We're going to start with 70 grams of candy striped beets that I've already poached, peeled, and small diced. So start with some of this. Here we go. A couple grams of olive oil, some salt. We're gonna get that mixed up so everything is at least seasoned and good to go. Always over a scale so it can be consistent. Per traditional beef tartare accoutrement, we're gonna go with some cornichon, Brunoise shallot, some Creole mustard, about 3 grams for this type of portion, and some parsley, a couple pinches. Life is good. Because of the way I cook these beets and the varietal of them, take a look, looks just like a beef tartare. You got that same fresh beef pink going on. So, on top of our bread, I'm gonna put the ring mold, same one that I used to cut it. Fill it in with the beets. Use our spoon to pack it down, make it all nice and even. Now for the fun part. We're gonna give it a little creme fraiche. Little black garlic puree. Bit of pickled mustard seeds. I've pickled these in Chardonnay vinegar and a bunch of other spices, and after they're pickled and rested for a few days, I macerate them in some local honey to offset the acid. Now, for my favorite part, I have some salt and pepper cured egg yolk. So egg yolk that I dehydrated in salt, pepper, and let hang, so it's microplane. Normally with tartares, you get that raw egg inside. I think it's more fun to do some different technique driven. A little bit of lemon juice. Some micro chervil from our friends at Closed Loop Farms. Grand reveal. Remove the ring. Vegetarian beet tartare.